5 weeks ago I started eBay reselling with the goal to make money this year. The amount I set was £250. Since then I've sourced, listed and posted lots of items to make this money. How much money can I actually make as someone who hasn't even listed an item on eBay before? I'm just about to find out. This is my eBay reselling journey. Alright, I had these Nike Air Vape Max Plus sell, and I had these lying around and they were kind of too small for me. These are size UK 7 and they sold for about £50. I had these two games sell and these weren't great games. They had some scratches on, but the discs were there, the manual was in this one, and this was like £5.60 from plus postage from memory. So here are some sales to start off this week. It's week 6 of this experiment, so it's the final week, but it is not the last of the eBay content. I've got a video coming out soon, which is the aftermath. There's a lot more eBay series content. There's a lot more eBay content to come, and actually, let's have future me talk about this. The eBay aftermath video is not one to miss. Since these 6 weeks, the eBay store has exploded. The sales have taken off. I've tried new categories. I've dealt with returns. I've got very good items, some very good like vintage items that are going to be coming up in the next video, and then a whole video about it straight after that. I've got a lot planned for the eBay series, so just stay tuned because it's about to pop off. That's what we've got to look forward to in the next few weeks of the eBay content. That's what the future me just told you. But back to present day, we don't have too many listings left. I think, well actually at this point we have ran out of listings. We can't list any more items. So we've got a few more days left to make a few more sales. There's no point sourcing any more items at this point. But I did find some kind of cool items recently. But I might just talk about that in the next video if I'm honest. Let's see what we can pull off for this last week. Alright, let's look at the numbers for these weeks I've been on eBay. Over the 6 weeks we've had some good weeks and some bad weeks. Our best week being £48, or worst being about 78 pence. This makes our weekly average about £30.50. We've got a total of 19 sales in these 6 weeks, with a most of 6 and a least of 1. This is also shown on this spreadsheet here, which we made in week 1. But the total is we made pretty much £45 in the 6 weeks actual profit, but made £223 in actual sales. Now, sold profit isn't true profit. This is kind of it before we take out the eBay fees, the postage, or the inventory goods itself, so the cost of the goods. So our actual profit is 45. Now, you probably didn't realise, but if you see the week 6, we actually made 3 sales this week, and I've only shown 2. The last one was actually near the end of the week, and this is a fan sale. So someone actually came from one of these videos and went to buy something, which I think is super cool. So thank you. Alright, this was the last sale I wanted to show now. These we got week 1 for like free, but we had a viewer buy this one, so they watched week 1, and then I was recording it, and then this sale came through, so I kind of want to add this. Now this is after the 6 weeks slightly, but they left a little comment, and I'm going to add in a little extra just for watching the content. So if you're watching this, thank you for the sale, thank you for coming to this AB store, thank you for watching the content. I actually really appreciate it. quite good leeway to the £250 for the full year. Like, we're only £40 in after 6 weeks of someone who's never tried eBay, never even listed an item before, never went out trying to get items to sell, never had any knowledge of this. And I've learned all by myself. And I think I've learned quite a lot, enough to actually give you guys tips as well. Obviously, I'm still learning. I can teach you what I've learned in this time. So we made around about £45 in 6 weeks, and we're going to continue to make a lot more. Now, I'm currently about 3 months in while recording this right now, this little bit, and we've made a lot more than that, than £45. We've got so many more cool items, and there's a video about it that's going to be right here. Now, if it's not here yet, it will be coming out next week, and this is the aftermath. And after that, we've got some pretty cool videos coming. This is the full eBay series right here. If you haven't saw it from episode 1, go check that out. There's a lot you can learn, and you can see kind of how I progressed since the start. And also, if you watch up until this point, make sure to subscribe. If you like this video, if you like the content, if you like me as a person, or you just want to follow along the journey, then subscribe, because you might not see me in your For You page again. Thank you for watching.